Let's make some words. We're going to practice ending blends. Like N-K, nk, and N-G, ng. You'll need the letters G, I, K, N, S, T, W. You can use the digital letters with the link, or you can write these letters on a strip of paper and cut them apart. If you need more time making any of the words, pause the video. Let's get started. Make the word ink. Ink. It's hard to hear the N, but it's there. Listen. Ink. 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 Like the word pink. Let's make the word wink. Wink. You can slide your finger below the letters as you say them. Ink. That way I know what I'm missing and where it should go. Ink. Wink. Now change one letter to make the word wing. Wing. Slide your finger under your word as you say each sound so that you can see what you need next. Wing. G, g. That doesn't match. Let me get rid of the K. Wing. I know I need a G. Wing. Ing. This is the onset and this is the rhyme. The onset is the beginning part until you get to the vowel. The rhyme is the ending part with the vowel. See that ending blend? Ng. Ing. Wing. Let's add one letter and make the word swing. I love to swing on the playground. Swing. I can hear that I'm missing a letter here. Swing. I need the S. That makes a beginning blend. Ing. Swing. Ing. Swing. Let's change one letter and make the word sting. Like I have a bee sting. Sting. Remember to slide your finger under the word as you make each sound. That way you can figure out what letters you need to change. Sting. Sounds like I don't need the W. Instead, I need the T. Sting. There's the onset. There's the rhyme. Ing. Sting. Great work.
The book this week is called The Stapler. It's about Derek and his grandpa. Derek is fascinated with his grandpa's red stapler, so he takes it to school, but he loses it, and he struggles with what to tell his grandpa. So let's take a picture walk. So you can see there's his grandpa, there's Derek. You can see his grandpa's nice little desk with all kinds of little things on it. Besides just the stapler, we can see scissors and pins and all kinds of things. So you can see that, wow, this stapler must be really important and he must really think it's cool because it's definitely highlighted on this page. So it looks like Derek's off to school and his face looks like he's being kind of sneaky. I'm thinking that he didn't actually ask Grandpa if he could take this to school. So he looks like he grabbed it and he's putting it in his pocket. Oh, and then at school it looks like he's showing all of his friends and they think it's cool as well. He's putting it back in his pocket. Uh-oh. This looks like he's in a bit of a panic because he can't find the stapler. Oh no, it looks like Grandpa's maybe asking him if he knows where the stapler is. And it looks like Derek's maybe just walking away and not actually talking to Grandpa about it. Oh no, it looks like it's bedtime and Derek's feeling really bad. He's picturing his grandpa searching for the stapler, even though he knows what actually happened to it. I can even see a tear in his eye. That's how I know he feels bad. Oh good, they look like they're talking. Great, so I hope Derek's gonna do the right thing and tell Grandpa about the stapler. So let's. You're going to read the stapler. Remember, if you need extra time on any pages, just pause the video and restart again when you're ready. Now that you've finished reading the story, let's take a look back at some of the words we read in this book. Can you find the word thought on this page? Good. Now, does this have a hunk and chunk that we know in it? Yeah, O-U-G-H-T, ought, ought, ought. Can you find a contraction on this page? Yeah, the word couldn't. Remember, couldn't means could not. So he could not find the stapler. An easier way to say that is to say he couldn't find the stapler. Do you see another contraction on this page? Yes, the word hadn't. Hadn't means had not. so he had not really lied. Now that you've read The Stapler, let's think about some discussion questions. These would be great to talk with somebody at home about. So the first question is, almost everyone has done something that they felt bad about. Has this happened to you? Think about how Derek felt bad about taking the stapler. The next question is, has someone ever taken something from you before? How did that make you feel? Now that you're finished with your discussion questions, go back to Seesaw and complete the drawing conclusions activity. Since this book ends and we don't really know what happens, you're going to write down some clues and what you think happens after Derek meets back up with Grandpa.